Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to basically open a new device that I got from Amazon.com, which is this little sort of a camera snake, sort of a, that you put inside pipes and basically to look into things you cannot see normally. And this is not the full, blown device that costs hundreds of dollars. This is like a $20-ish or so, $24, $25 device, and it works together with your computer and has a USB interface. So I decided to check if this thing works or not. So it's a 16.4 feet, snake. That's the call. How that little camera conductor or the camera pipe thing is known. It's about 5 meters, right? 5 meters or 16.4 feet. The diameter is about 8 millimeters or 0.3 inches. It's a high resolution. Basically, it's a full HD, right? It's a 1920 by 1080. There are lights on it, given by 8 LEDs. It does get far focus, and that's waterproof, so you can put inside live pipes with water and things like that. Let's say your sink in the kitchen or in your bathroom is leaking water somewhere. You'd like to see where that leak is. Pretty much you get this camera with this flexible snake, and you insert that on the pipe and see in the camera on the other end what's going on. Okay, so that's the goal here, and the brand here is XpertMatic. Okay, so let's open that. Little protection phone here. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's okay. I don't like normally to cut those things, so okay, cool. So I can just separate the plastic here. I mean, this is a conductive plastic, so it's good. This is some, got some instructions here. Oops. So the model here is actually Wi-Fi USB 2-in-1 Borescope, model F160, FCC and CE approved. And you got here what's in the box, the snake, some accessories, user's guide, and so forth. Okay. All right. So let's look into what this is. Like I said, there is an interface from the USB device. There is an extra USB-C socket over here, so you can use normal USB or USB-C. Note that there is no micro USB or mini USB, right? It's a regular USB, or you get the USB-C here. Although, yeah, no, it doesn't. Looks like, but it's locked in position there. Okay. So this is the thing, and this is the tip of the camera, right? You can see the LEDs over there that will illuminate the pipe. And you can see this is kind of a self-sustained but flexible. I can, turn it, right? So it will go to the curves of a pipe and things like that. So that's the portion, USB and the snake itself with the camera on the tip right there. And now let's see what's left in here. Those should be the accessories that were mentioned. So again, give me a second to open this thing. Give me 1 second. I'll take this out of camera for a second. And holy moly, this is not easy. Okay, got it. Yeah, the issue is to open this thing here. They're pretty much together. Okay. All right. So let's see what we have here. And empty the bag. It's empty. And you got some springs, some little, parts that will attach to the snake, I think. And here you got, let's see, some sort of a antenna-like device that you can put the camera or the snake on top of it, right? So it goes from here. You can, if you don't have to kind of be so much flexible and turn around, probably can just go to a car or something like that. It's like just to check the engine, or if it's leaking oil underneath, you can probably just get this part over here, just go through, right? And then you can move like this and then look into what you're trying to find. Okay, So I will try to do some quick video on this later, kind of showing how it works. But at this point, I mentioned this would be an unboxing, and that's exactly what I did. Thanks a lot. Please don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Click on the little bell to receive your notifications when I do some updates on the channel or upload some new videos. And any comments are welcome, so please do so. Thank you. Be back soon.